Hi, and welcome to another Gravitee.io video, this time talking about dictionaries in the API Manager. So dictionaries allow you to create global properties which you can use right across your APIs, and these can be manual or dynamic, and it's a great way of making sure you have global variables which are cached but essentially are stored in MongoDB and brought out of there such that they can be used right across your API gateway. Okay, so let's crack on with the demo. So what we've got here is at the moment we've got an API set up and it's got a mock policy. At the moment this mock policy is just returning some static text. So this is a mock policy. If we head over to Postman, let's now hit this. And you can see that it's bringing back this text here. Nice and straightforward. What we're going to do is we're going to create a dictionary. So let's go to here. Let's go to API Manager, Settings, Dictionaries. Let's add a dictionary. Let's call the dictionary name APIM Travel. Yeah, let's just call that APIM Travel for now. Let's give it a description. This is a test dictionary. Okay, and we're going to just say manual. So now, nice and straightforward, let's create that dictionary. Okay, so now let's add a property. Let's just say key 1 and just say value 1. Nice and straightforward. Okay, let's save the properties and let's deploy the dictionary. Okay, and you can see the last deployment there. So at the moment we've got one key value pair, key 1, value 1. Okay, so now let's head over to API Manager again and our API. So in here, what we're going to do is actually use that use that dictionary that we've set up, and we're going to use a little bit of expression language here. So let's just take the example here. Let's paste that into here, and let's just check our values. So the value, the key 1, so it's the key, that was the key that was coming back. Let's just go and check our dictionaries. So if you go to here, you can see the ID is APIM Travel and the name is APIM Travel. So we're going to use that ID. So let's just do APIM Travel. That's the name of our dictionary. There we go. So APIM Travel 1, key 1. So now let's save that and deploy that. Nice and straightforward. Okay, so now let's head over to Postman again and let's see what happens this time. So that was returning mock policy before. Now let's hit send again, and you can see that it's returning value 1. So previously we had actually key 1, so it's a key value pair, and it's returning the value this time. So it's returning the value of the property that we requested in the content body. Nice and straightforward. One thing to just watch out for that I've fallen foul of a couple of times is that when you actually configure your dictionary name, it needs to be the value of the ID. So if you notice here that you've got MMJ space authent, it's got a hash in between. So you've got to use that value, not the name. That's something that I've looked at in the past and fallen foul of. So just be aware that you've got to use the ID rather than the name. Thanks a lot. Nice and straightforward video to use dictionaries, and it's a great way of using properties across your APIs. And I'll see you on the next video. Thank you. Bye.